Welcome back, learners. In this session, we are going to discuss how performance appraisal helps to build a competitive advantage to a firm. So, the objective of this lecture will be to understand the relationship between the performance appraisal and competitive advantage. As we have seen in the last lectures, competitive advantage is the advantage gained by a company over its competitors because of certain core competencies. Those are the strengths and capabilities the firm has built over a period of time, which lets it get the advantage when a consumer chooses between two brands or two firms or two services, we can say. So, when a company is having extremely well or extremely efficient performance appraisal system, it helps to build a competitive advantage. Let us see how. So, I have pointed out certain things here. First is improving performance. We all know that improving performance is important for any organization. As it is consistently done, what happens over a period of time is you have an expertise employees with you who are knowing the intricacies of their work and they are continuously improving it. This gives an advantage of cost over a period of time, and also the expertise gives the company more and more opportunities to build its brand image, goodwill, and also increased productivity. It may range from improving the services and giving and increasing the customers' experience for their products and services, or it may be improving those products to become cost efficient and with high quality for the customers. So, making correct decisions, it becomes possible. Remember, in performance appraisal, we have seen that how the performance records help the company to analyze what is required and what is being done, what areas we are improving, what needs to be improved, and the gap analysis becomes easy. And also it keeps a track of track of contributions of the people, where these contributions have to be very well appreciated. So when these people are being appreciated and these employees extend their loyalty towards the organization, obviously it will build a knowledge pool with that organization, which is giving it a competitive advantage because it is enhancing its efficiency in some or the other way. So, minimizing the job dissatisfaction and turnover, if the company is able to achieve this, then can you imagine there are loyal people with the company over a period of time who are very dedicated and also their personal objectives are satisfied, which cannot be neglected. So if this is done, if the person is or employee is getting a good career path and also he is having opportunities to contribute to the organization's success, if both are satisfied, then it's a win-win situation for organization as well and employee too. Last but not the least is consistency between the organizational strategy and behavior. Friends, remember, every performance being judged or analyzed, evaluated, appraised, whatever it is, that performance is contributing to the mission statement or organization's mission, as I always keep on repeating this thing. So, the organization's strategy and behavior of the organization's overall culture or overall employees is an indicator that it is heading towards its mission. The fulfillment of the organizational goals will become possible if this is in line or this is on track. So let's just have an imagination that every employee is giving its best performance and that performance is designed in a way to achieve the organization's objectives. So it is ultimately going to implement the organizational strategy efficiently and the organizational strategies are derived or designed to have a competitive advantage, and that is why we have to know what is the role of performance appraisal to build a competitive advantage, because this performance is nothing but the efficiency, and this efficiency means a core competency which the company can build with the help of its employees and their increased performances. Let me give you one example here. Maersk Global Services Limited, this is a Denmark or Danish MNC working overall throughout the world, and it has 130 countries in which it is operating its shipping and logistics services. So, in that country, when they have their service centers, which are also called as their BPOs and KPOs, they are having, and also their original, or we can say they call it as Maersk Liner, which is the main business along with 16 subsidiaries. What they do is they allow people or their employees even to hold PhDs in their expert areas in which they are working for several years. They appraise their performances at the interval of certain years, that if somebody has completed 5 years or 10 years, then they will give some other benefits to them. This shows that if certain employees are there in the corporate for several years, that means they are having something which is beneficial to them, and also company is appraising their performances. So they contribute to the one term that is called as process excellence. So process excellence is nothing but the quality improvement which is making that company go high, and it was one of the topmost logistic company because of this only. So working in several countries and still achieving the higher results it needs some intricacies wherein at the groundest level they have to work, and they have to contribute, they have to appraise and appreciate the performance of the people. These appreciations turn into built capabilities, increased capabilities, which are giving it a competitive advantage. So this is the relationship between the performance appraisal and competitive advantage. So you can now very well understand that why it is so important to have a performance appraisal system in a company which has to be very efficient and working. Until I bring you the next management lesson, we'll stop here. Keep watching and keep learning.